All right, so better understanding now. It's a very short video, in fact, but it covers the entire topic, right? Yep, so this is useful. So I thought I want to show you because I know you don't have time on your own to really read through the whole chapter and, to watch the video. I know some of you have those issues. Okay, so I hope this helps. So let's go on to our worksheet. Are you having any problem with this particular one so far? Any of you cannot do this? No, right? Can handle this one, huh? Okay, because this is quite an easy topic, but I heard comments from the other class saying that hardly do they see questions like for this topic in their exam. Is that true for your case also in school? Have you been tested for this topic in the exam? Maybe last year? Yeah, is it a lot of questions or it's just like 1 or 2 MCQ only? Four MCQ, Ian. Oh, okay, that's good. Yeah, 1 or 2 for Pranati school. Some of them say that they never see the question at all. Okay, I'm a bit surprised lah when that was mentioned to me. I had opened the questions for cells as well. Oh, okay, that's good. Because this is not entirely a topic that is not useful. Okay, because whatever you learn now in school is actually the very basic, the foundation. When you go on to secondary school, you are going to learn more about this. Okay, and then in Sec 3 and 4, let's say you choose to do biology, definitely you have to go in full details. Cells are not so simple. Like what you have seen in the video is not going to be so simple. Like animal cell only has got the cell membrane and then the cytoplasm and the nucleus. It's more than that, a lot more than that, in fact. Okay, so let's look at our worksheets. I think we can finish early today. Okay, hoping, because I think there's a repeat question also, right? From last week, if you recall. Yeah? If you don't, later you know. Okay, so look at this question 1. Table below shows differences between a plant cell and an animal cell. If I were to take a look at your responses, okay? So everybody actually, except one, okay, put down A as the answer. So let's see, okay, which of the differences are not true? Most of you put down A, only one person. Okay, only one person did not. Right, Ian also put A, right? Okay, so let's see. Plant cell, all right, let's run through for the plant cell. Differences between, but I just want to focus on the plant cell first. So if you look at the plant cell, does it have cell wall? Is it correct? Yes. Okay. Does it have chloroplast? Do you think it has chloroplast? Yes, right? Okay. But are there instances? Correct, ENC. Are there instances that chloroplast is not there for plant cells? Okay, of course there are, but in general, yeah, okay, good. So in general, okay, plant cells have chloroplast, right? No cell membrane, can that be true? For plant cell, cannot be. In fact, it has cell membrane. It has also one extra protective layer called the cell wall. Because this is not true. No nucleus, not that I know of. Okay, plant cells must have the nucleus there. So look at the animal cell, no cell wall. It's true. No chloroplast, okay. Has the cell membrane. Yep, has a nucleus. Okay, so this is true. So quite obvious, okay. What are the differences? Which of the differences are not true? We have C and D. I think, all right, the person who actually chose the answer, which is not A, thought that is asking for what? The correct differences, is it? Is that right? Yeah? Okay, no worries. Okay, so at least now you understand. Question 2. 3 cells are shown below. Which of the following shows the correct classification and common parts found in all cells? Found in all cells. Okay, so let's see. If we have plant cell and animal cell, if you look at K, L, and M, which do you think will be plant cells? Which do you think will be plant cells? And I'm going to call upon somebody. Okay, let's see. Cass, you want to try? Which of them are plant cells? Remember we talked about characteristics of the plant cells, right? Earlier, you saw the video, right? Don't be scared. I know you're nervous. Okay, don't be. So which do you think? K, L, M? You can type it in if you are shy to speak. Okay, plant cells. What do you think is present in plant cells? Okay. Remember, we have a whole list of the parts of the plant cells, right? So actually there's a difference. Can you all roughly see that these two seems to be under the same classification? There's something special about them that we think this way, right? Yeah, and then M seems to be another classification. Yeah, so Cass, okay, don't worry. Yancy actually typed in much earlier. I get her to explain, okay? So Yancy, what's your answer for this one? If I ask you to select the plant cells out of the 3, which is a plant cell or which are plant cells? Can you unmute?
K and L are plant cells.
Why would you choose that?
Because K and L have like cell wall and only plant cells have cell wall.
How do you know there are cell wall?
There's like another layer.
Another layer? You want to annotate on this?
Like it's like,
You mean the outer layer, huh?
yeah.
Okay, so you're actually looking. Oh, okay, you're annotating. Good.
Sorry.
Yeah, no problem. So I know it's not easy. You're using laptop, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I will do it. You tell me whether you're referring to this, okay? Okay, there's an inner layer here. Can y'all see me drawing? Can all? And then there's one more layer, right?
Yeah.
So you're saying that because there's one extra layer, that's the cell wall. Okay, so because of that, she says that this must be plant cell. Correct? And it's the same for K also. Are y'all agreeable? Can identify this? Okay, if let's say you've forgotten about how to identify, don't worry. That's why we are doing revision today, right? Correct or not? So our revision serves to bring back all this information to you. Can? So because of the extra outer layer, all right, so this will be the cell wall. Okay, and then the inner one, what do you call this? The cell membrane. Can recall now, all of you? Okay, whereas for this M, there's only one layer. Okay, so this one layer is actually known as the cell membrane. Okay, so animal cell, we have M, and then plant cell, K and L. So it's either this or this. So what are the common parts found in all the cells? What are the common parts? Okay, let's look at option B, cytoplasm, nucleus, and cell membrane. Okay, Then let's look at D, nucleus, cell wall, cytoplasm, cell membrane. Do you think it could be D? No. What is the word, or which part is the one that we are going to cross out? Ian. Ian, unmute yourself. There's nucleus, there's cell wall, there's cytoplasm, and there's cell membrane. Which one is the one that caused you to think that this is not the answer? Ian, why are you struggling? Did you put down answer or not? Let me check. Let me just check. You did what? You did put down the answer, right? Then why is it that you cannot tell me now?
The answer is B.
Okay. I know B. But why D is wrong? Can you tell me?
Because do it have chloroplast?
Because do I have chloroplast? What chloroplast? Chloroplast not here, ma?
Yeah,
Chloroplast. D is wrong because there is this part that's not common for all. What is that part?
cell wall.
Cell wall, that's right. So it's a cell wall, right? How many of you could see that it was the cell wall? Can see or not? Yeah, okay. Prita can see, Prita. Okay, Cass can see? Cass can. How about Joshua? Yeah, those of you never respond, I have to ask one by one. Zhen Yan, can you see? You can, Okay, good. That's why answer is B. All right. Next, the diagram below shows two cells and their cell structures. What information can you get from the diagram? Both cells have structures Q, R, and S. The cells are different in their shape. Okay? Then there are many structures T present in cell 1. Cell 1 has structure P that surrounds structure Q, but cell 2 does not have. So do you agree all of these statements are correct? Yes or no? I think it's pretty obvious. Both cells have structure QRS. Then the cells are different in their shape. There are many structures T in cell 1. Okay. Then cell 1 has structure P. I think that's the cell wall, right? That surrounds Q, but cell 2 does not have. Okay, so it's A, B, C, D. Pretty obvious. Okay, this is question 3. Some of you actually got this wrong. Okay, so if you look, both cells have this structure Q, R, and S. Correct or not? So what is Q? Q is actually cell membrane. What is R? Cytoplasm. And what is S? S is nucleus. Okay. And then what about T? What do you think is T? Can anyone guess? Yeah. Okay, Ian, you're honest. What is T? Prita, you want to try? Yeah, Sam, you're right, Sam. Prita, try. When you type into the chat, right, I'll let you know whether you're right or wrong. Okay, some of you very shy to talk. It's fine. It's fine. Very weird. My P5 students will be talking nonstop. But P6 seems to be shyer. P6 onwards, P6, Sec 1, Sec 2 don't talk one. But P5 will talk nonstop. I have to mute them. So yes, very good. So all of you have put this in. This is actually chloroplast. Can I just check something? I don't want to make assumptions. So I want to check. How many of you are not sure about what will be tested for cells?